Well, the Congress has accused the BJP and the RSS of creating a conspiracy to polarize the political scene in Uttar Pradesh to reap dividends. The party has launched a scathing attack on BJP MP Adityanath for his anti-minority statements. Congress's Madhusudan Mistry said that the bogey of love jihad raised by Adityanath to divide.
Joining us now is General Secretary in charge of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Madhusudan Mistry. Sir, there are by-elections which are coming in Uttar Pradesh. We've seen the kind of language which is being used by Yogi Adityanath. What is your response?
It's polarizing. जो इस देश को साथ में रखना चाहते हैं वो ऐसी बातें करते हैं। हिंदू मुसलमान का करवा के अपने आप को और अपनी पार्टी को है तो वो जीत दिलवाना चाहते हैं। ये देश में साथ में रहेगा कहाँ पर किसकी मेजोरिटी है? गुजरात में तो 12.5% ही मुसलमान है, तो फिर क्यों हुए इतने सालों के बाद? मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ और ये भी बात सुन लो, मेरी बेटी किसके साथ शादी करेगी, ये मेरी औरत का और मेरी बेटी का अधिकार है। वो किस धर्म का होगा वो उसको तय करने का उसका आदेश है। योगी आदित्यनाथ का नहीं है और नहीं RSS का है और नहीं जो सत्ता पे है उनका है।
Mr. Saab, there's a separate issue. We saw that there was a list which was released by the UP Congress about star campaigners. Rahul Gandhi's name was not there. So the opposition is saying that Rahul Gandhi has been protected by the Congress. That's why he's not going to.
That is their charge. Who cares? Our top leadership has not gone into any by-election. That to assembly. No.
But Rahul Gandhi is an MP from there. It's an important state for the Congress. So doesn't it look odd that Rahul will not be campaigning?
So I mean, they are everywhere. Nobody has gone. That has not been, in the past as well. So why they are saying, why that Mr. Modi is not going? Ask him. I am asking him. Why they are not sending Modi?
Then about Yogi Adityanath, how do you think will this play out? Do you think there will be more riots? There was some tension in Muzaffarnagar also.
Yes, I suspect that. I suspect trying to polarize the entire UP on the line of only religion, nothing else. But they don't say anything about the Varna Vyavastha in Hinduism.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. That was Mr. Mistry speaking to us in Delhi. Ashar Khan for Headlines Today.